Hey you! Please Donate is a big and growing game. Growing means there are new players every day. That is why I'm going to make this video to help you start earning Robux. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, then make sure you do so. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Roblox websites, and then all you gotta do is go up to create right here, and every account should have a starting place. So right here is my starting place. So what I'm gonna do is click on these three dots right here, and then I'm going to make public. Make sure it's public. The game should already be public if you haven't changed it yet. So just go to your starting place or any place you have that's public. All you gotta do is press view on Roblox, and it'll be sent to the page that the game is on. Now, like I said, make sure it's public, and then scroll down to the store page. And also, side note, make sure this is on your profile, not a group. So now what you need to do is press add pass, and now you'll be sent to here. And then once you do that, you should be sent here. Make sure you go to passes, and then pick the game you want, like right here. And what you're gonna do is just like put whatever you want. Pick an image right here, and then press preview. You don't need a description, by the way. Now what you do is it should be like this, and then just press verify upload. And now what you gotta do is go over here and press configure, and it should send you to here, and then press sales. Item for sale, turn that on. And then you can make this like whatever you want. So I'm gonna do like the highest I can go. So there we go, 100 million. Save. So just like this, you go up here and you claim your stands, and boom. But if you already had it claimed while you were doing that, then just go ahead right here and press refresh, and then it should pop up. And mine is all the way right here, 100 million.
What did he say?
Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also join the Discord server in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Poof.